on it for last 4 years. It's a very safe product, and the mode of action is, it has a triple mode of action. It is very safe on honeybees, it's very safe on the environment, but it gives very good control. So we believe that the farmer will get a lot of peace of mind. Currently the products he's using have a lot of resistance, and because of the resistance, he's really suffering in yield and the amount of applications of space. So the application should come down, and also we believe that this segment is an important segment. It is not till now the control is going down. So I believe that Ulala is going to be a very successful product. So we manufacture in India. This is going to be launched in, and we are it's an ISK product, and with the agreement with them we are launching in few other countries. Our pricing in that is in line with other competing products. So the cost will be about 450 rupees an acre for the farmer.